So assuming we have our modules correctly created here, we're going to do essentially the hello world of PLCs. What we want to do is be able to come over here and push this button, and there's a light on behind it. And the button itself and the light, one is input 0 and one is output 0. And similarly, when I flip this switch, we also want the light to come on. So I'm in the main routine. I have this one empty rung. I'm going to grab this thing up here called examine on, and I'm going to drag that into rung 0. I'm going to double click on this question mark. I'm going to type LO for local, and then it's going to autocomplete, and I'm going to get this little drop down. And I happen to know that what I want is local 1, I for in, data 0. And so that will be push button 1. And so this is testing whether or not push button 1 or switch 1 is being pressed or switched on. And then we're going to grab output energize. And we're going to connect this output. Again, I'm going to type LO. It's going to autocomplete. And I know that I want LO to out data 0. So local 1. So local meaning my PLC, slot 1, input data 0, my PLC local, slot 2, output data 0. And if I then go online, it's telling me that it doesn't have a communication path. So that's not awesome. So we'll get to redo this, and I will edit this out for you. That's really weird. In the time that it took me to record the other video, it has forgotten the Ethernet path to my PLC at my station. Awesome. So, knowing my IP address, I am choosing the correct PLC. Okay. Apparently I did not want to check the compact bus, but wanted to check the top thing up here, and now I can click go online. This should, of course, involve more waiting. Okay. So now I am ready to download, and so by download we mean take the code from the software on the PC and send it to the PLC. In some cases, you'll also be allowed to upload your code if you ever need to take the code that's on the PLC and bring it back to the PC. So most of the time we're going to be downloading, and we're just going to click yep. And so it's going to send this super impressive single rung of logic over to the PLC. When it's done, it asks me if I want to go back to remote run, which I do. And so you'll see that here. I can go offline, I can go to program mode, but I'm currently in run mode. And now, super exciting. So one, as I'm pressing this button, you'll see the green bar coming on here, and the green light is also coming on. And now if you go over here, when I push the button, the light goes on, or if I flip the switch, the light will stay on. But for now, when I release the button, the light goes back off. So I'm reading input 1, data 0, and I'm writing slot 2, output data 0. And so that is essentially the hello world of PLCs. Single rung, single input, single output.